Hello, your stir-fried eggs don't taste good. The key is you haven't mastered the technique. Today, the chef is going to share the correct way to make it. Prepare a few chili peppers picked fresh from the tree. Using these makes the dish more fragrant, spicy, and delicious. If you don't like spicy food, you can use green peppers instead. Remove the seeds from the chili peppers. Then cut them into thin strips. Prepare a red pepper and cut it into strips. After cutting, place them on a plate. Prepare 8 authentic hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Now season, add salt, a suitable amount of chicken bouillon, a little white pepper to remove any fishy smell, and a few drops of white vinegar to further remove odors and enhance the aroma. Mix well. Heat the pan without adding oil, put in the chili peppers, and stir-fry them over low heat to release their moisture and bring out the spiciness. Stir-frying the chili peppers like this helps remove their harshness. Add salt to enhance base flavor, it makes chili peppers crisper. Stir-fry for about 1 minute, just until the chili peppers become slightly soft. Once done, take them out of the pan. Add them into the egg mixture. Mix well so that the chili peppers are evenly coated with the egg. Heat pan, add oil to coat, oil sides. This prevents sticking when cooking eggs or stir-frying. Heat oil until it smokes, then pour out. Add a little oil, once hot, add chili pepper and egg mixture. Cook on low heat until set. Once set, break into large pieces. If you prefer it well done, fry longer for richer flavor. Then, turn up heat and stir-fry 30 seconds to bring out aroma and signature wok flavor. Drizzle suitable fragrant vinegar along pan edge to remove fishiness and enhance aroma, then stir evenly. It's done. Take it out of the pan and plate it up. The delicious stir-fried eggs with chili are ready, spicy, crisp, and flavorful, with eggs that are rich and fragrant. It's perfect with rice or as a side for drinks. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.